Alrighty, what is going on, guys? Welcome to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have a little bit different of a video. I am just absolutely dumbfounded by what I just saw come into our Instagram DMs on Valvetronic. If you guys aren't following Valvetronic on Instagram, go check us out. Just at Valvetronic, I'll put it right here. We post a ton of crazy clips on Instagram, just short form versions of what we post on YouTube. I've worked here for a year and a half, by the way, but this has to be some of the craziest stuff I have ever seen come through our DMs. Revolution Performance, huge shout out to them if you guys are watching this video. They DM'd us a couple clips. We get asked all the time about the Universal Muffler and how it can be used on many different vehicles. That being said, I'm gonna show you guys all the clips as well, but I figured that we would go grab Austin in his office because he still has no idea about this because this just came in, and see what his reaction is because I'm betting that it's gonna be pretty interesting.
Hi. Why do you have the camera?
I got something good to show you.
Okay. You need me right now?
Yes, right now.
Okay.
How long have you ran Valvetronic for?
6 years? 5 years?
This might be the craziest thing you've ever seen.
All right, go ahead. I'm like concerned, but
I didn't
maybe
do
excited.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
This is what we got. Music.
Fantastic. Okay, so Aventador S with our full exhaust, equal length downpipes. Yeah.
That's where the catch is. Let me show you something.
Is there a different system? What? Are you serious?
Okay, let me show you guys.
That is unbelievable. Wow, look at that. That's fantastic.
Dude, that's our UVMs on an Aventador S. Fully custom fabbed.
Wow, that is, I mean, let's take for a second the X pipe, which is beautifully done.
Mm-hmm.
The way they have the muffler sections, like with 90s on it, and it probably comes up and is fish mouth into the section of the after the cap bag comes together after the V band is fucking awesome. Wow. I wonder, I assume those are our downpipes because the car has that really exotic, almost like Murcielago type sound. If anybody says, oh, I can't fit my Universal Mufflers, they're going to be like, find a better shop.
This.
What's the shop's name?
It's Revolution Performance in Canton, Ohio.
We got to get them something special. This is fucking awesome.
But it doesn't end there.
How could this get better?
We have another clip to show you.
Okay. I'm going to do the same thing on this. Okay, so a flame map on a GT3. Did they do our headers and then like a cat back, or
That's where it gets good.
use mufflers again?
Dude.
Oh fuck!
And a absolutely beautiful X pipe as well.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Isn't that just
And
crazy?
the tips too, the 4-inch titanium tips.
So they bought the 4-inch chips separately and then just bought our UVMs.
Wow.
Isn't that incredible?
That's awesome. But what a great way to do it. You know, these cars, 991.1 RS, it has the valve lines right there.
But I thought that was pretty outrageous to share with obviously our YouTube friends and you, because I feel that's
what
like
a phenomenal piece of like in-house engineering done by these guys.
Yeah.
Really, really nice.
For all of viewers watching, you know, when you order these Universal Mufflers, the
They
shop
really go on
gives you-
everything, yeah.
They can really go on anything. You know, we've been trying to tell people that, but I feel like this really showcases just how universal these mufflers really are. So
I'm happy you came to grab me because that's about as rowdy as I've seen, and I've been doing this a long time. But big shout out to Revolution Performance in Canton, Ohio. If you need some fab work done, if you need to get your Valvetronic exhaust set up,
That's the place to go.
This is world class. They're using like they're using stainless bros parts as well, which are extremely good. Very good stuff. Thank you for grabbing me. I need to get back to work.
Alrighty, well, thank you guys for watching. Obviously, this was one of the better showcases of our Universal Mufflers, so hopefully you guys enjoy. And stay tuned, because we're going to try and get more clips from them as well, and see if we can get some more street driving and dyno runs and such.
Truly universal as I eat this sandwich. Later, guys. See you in the next one.
Peace.